All right, so now that we're going, we have our index file created. We're going to go ahead and start setting it up. First thing we want to do is go and create an FTP account so that we can access that file. So we'll go ahead and say create FTP account, and we'll use student and raccpass, and we'll select our inside out HTML app, your domain project, and we'll add the FTP account. Copy the name. And we'll go over to Dreamweaver. We'll go to new site. And we'll create inside out app project. We'll go ahead and create that folder as well. Getting rid of the student and the .com, and we're just going to roll with that name, and we're going to select the folder. We'll go over to our server, add our server. Of course, we want to know what our server's name is. I usually go and, because I copied that full name, I'll paste that in there, and then I'll copy this again and get rid of the name, because I'll name everything else with that. Also, the address is right there. Put in raccpass and test, and we're good. We'll save and save. Now we should be able to connect to our remote server, and we can see our index file there. If we look on our local server, it's not there yet. We'll go ahead and pull that down. Say OK. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and set up our file correctly. First thing we want to do is add the doctype. As we know, the doctype lets the browser or whatever is reading this file know that it's an HTML document. We're going to go ahead and add our HTML tag, and we're going to specify that it is in English. Then if we have that open, we can go ahead and open our head tags. And we'll go ahead and start setting ourselves up. Of course, we're going to put our meta charset of UTF-8 in, so the browser knows how to read our information. The other thing we're going to do is put our meta viewport. And what this does is, especially for the fact that we're building an app, we're letting the browser know that it should not shrink it when it sees it. Don't scale it when it's on a phone, because we want it's going to be responsive, and we want it to react according to that. So we're giving this information to it, basically saying, don't scale it, don't do anything to it, let the code take care of what's going on. we'll go ahead and we'll put a title in, title, and we'll call it inside out HTML5 app. And that's good. So for now, that's all we need to put in there. Let's go ahead and let's open up our body. Get that taken care of. And let's save it.